to a new class of Spanish in Edutin Academy. Today, we are going to learn the personal pronouns in Spanish. Learning these pronouns will help you sound more like a native, as these are crucial when communicating. I hope you don't miss this opportunity to learn something new. Just like in English, personal pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence, and we use them to refer to any noun replacing it. Before we jump into today's class, let's listen to this line and answer this question. How many personal pronouns do you identify? Yo hablé con Juan ayer. Él no me prestó mucha atención. How many personal pronouns do you identify? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. That's correct. Now let's dive into today's lesson. In Spanish, we have different personal pronouns for different subjects. Let's go through them one by one. The first personal pronoun is yo, which means I. It refers to yourself as the speaker. For example, yo hablo español means I speak Spanish. The second pronoun is tú, which means you. It's used when referring to someone familiar or someone you are on a first name basis with. For instance, tú eres muy amable means you are very kind. Next is él, which means he. It's used to refer to a male person or masculine noun. For example, él estudia medicina means he studies medicine. Then we have ella, which means she. It's used to refer to a female person or feminine noun. For instance, ella es buena bailarina means she is a good dancer. Another pronoun is usted, which means you, in a formal way. It's used when speaking respectfully or to address someone formally. For example, usted es muy inteligente means you are very intelligent. We also have ustedes to refer to the second person in plural, you. For example, ustedes están muy cansados. That means you are very tired. Now let's talk about nosotros and nosotras, which mean we. Nosotros is used when referring to a group of people that includes male or mixed gender group. On the other hand, nosotras is used when the group consists of only females. For example, nosotros, nosotras vamos al cine means we are going to the movies. Lastly, we have ellos and ellas, which mean they. Ellos is used when referring to a group of people that includes males or mixed gender group. On the other hand, ellas is used when the group consists of only females. For example, ellos, ellas son mis amigos means they are my friends. In today's class, we explored personal pronouns in Spanish. We learned that yo means I, tú means you, él means he, ella means she, usted means you, formal, ustedes means you, plural, Nosotros, nosotras means we. And ellos, ellas means they. In some regions or countries, people use usted in informal conversations and to informal conversation. For example, I usually use usted when talking with my family. The choice of that pronoun is a socio-cultural decision. As usual, we will have a brief moment of practice before we end this lesson. In the comment section below, match the corresponding personal pronoun to each noun in Spanish. Los estudiantes. Madre. El espejo. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section or engage in discussion with your fellow learners. Nos vemos en la siguiente clase. Hasta pronto.
¿Te ha gustado este video? Te invito a continuar tu aprendizaje ingresando a edutin.com, donde encontrarás más de 6,000 cursos gratis y con certificado. Además, podrás interactuar con personas de todo el mundo. Ingresa ahora o descarga nuestra aplicación móvil.